Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we explore how to live more sustainably and get creative with our old clothes. Today's video might surprise you. It's a bit of a reality check about the true cost of reselling clothes. If you have ever tried to sell clothes you no longer wear, stick around because what we are diving into might change the way you shop forever. You spent 5,000 on that dress and now you're struggling to sell it for 500 rupees. Sound familiar? It's a common story and it's happening to more people than you think. In today's video, I'll break down why this is happening, the guilt and frustration behind it, and most importantly, how mindfully shopping can help prevent this endless cycle. Imagine a wardrobe filled only with pieces you truly love and wear regularly. Fewer items but more satisfaction. That's the beauty of mindful shopping. When we buy less but with intention, we stop that guilty feeling of clothes piling up and we avoid the frustration of trying to sell things for a fraction of what we paid. You don't need to constantly buy more to feel stylish or happy. Let's break down the reality of reselling clothes. Most of us have been there. You buy something for 5,000 rupees, maybe wear it a few times, and when you try to resell it, you are lucky to get 500 rupees. So, what's going on? The second hand market is tough, and here's why. First, the competition is fierce. On reselling platforms, everyone is looking for a deal, and that means your item needs to stand out among hundreds of others. People buying second hand are often looking for bargains, meaning they will expect your clothes to be at a much lower price than what you paid. Next, let's talk about depreciation. Just like cars, clothes lose value the moment you wear them. The resale value depends on factors like condition, brand, and whether the item is still in style. Fast fashion trends move quickly, and by the time you are ready to sell, what was in a few months ago might not be anymore. Take these two items as an example. This trendy top was bought for 1500, but because it's no longer in style and has been worn a few times, I'd be lucky to sell it for 200 rupees. On the other hand, this classic jacket, which costs 3000 rupees, is timeless, made of quality material, and well cared for. I could probably sell this for 1200 rupees. See the difference? Condition plays a big role too. The better you maintain your clothes, the higher the resale value. But even then, the reality is most clothes won't sell for more than 10 to 20% of their original price. And then there's the time factor. Think about the effort it takes to take good photos, write descriptions, and deal with buyers who may negotiate or not even follow through. The reselling trap. And this is where we get caught in the reselling trap. You buy something new, it sits in your closet unused, you feel guilty, and when you try to sell it, you are left with pennies compared to what you spent. So, what do? We buy less. When you shift to a more mindful approach, only buying what you truly need or love, you stop accumulating clothes that you later regret. The key is intention. Ask yourself, will I wear this in a year? Does this piece fit my style or value? Do I really need this? If the answer isn't a strong yes, it might not be worth buying. By investing in versatile, timeless pieces and avoiding impulse buys, you will not only save money but also reduce the need to resell in the first place. Less clothes, less guilt, more satisfaction. Remember, it's not about having a huge wardrobe, it's about having the right wardrobe. One that serves you instead of clothes that make you feel like you are constantly trying to earn back what you have spent. Let's break the cycle of overspending, underselling, and feeling unsatisfied. Now, I'm not saying don't ever buy new clothes, but let's be more thoughtful. Do you love it? Will you wear it often? Does it align with your values? Those are the questions to ask before adding anything new to your wardrobe. And the bonus, you will rarely feel the need to resell because everything in your closet has purpose. So before you click add to cart, take a moment. Ask yourself if you will really wear it or if it will just become another item you are trying to resell later for less than half of what you paid. Let's break the cycle together. Consume less and live more. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you some food for thought, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to live more sustainably and creatively with what you already have. And remember, less is more.